welcome. Today we are flying to Seattle in Cabin Crew Simulator. Let's go. We gotta meet. Wait. We're gonna get me plane. We're gonna change. We're gonna choose Seattle. Let's go. When we cast, there you are. Lazy, I'm telling you, lazy. Okay, we're okay. Fly. Let's run. I feel like it's over here. Yeah, it is. Bye. Let's go.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain for the flight deck. Welcome aboard the flight.
Close your door yourself.
So the seatbelt sign should remain off for most of the flight. Thanks for flying with us, and once again, welcome aboard.
We're gonna see you, the pilots. Sister, you got the same haircut. Let's just wait. This is taking forever. to the runway. I'm gonna take it off. We are in the air.
This is your captain from the flight deck. We have reached our cruising altitude. The flight attendants should start their in-flight service shortly. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.
Here's your water. And your cookie. Here's your water. Want some spray? You want spoiled water? Right. Now let them eat. Oh.
This is your captain from the flight deck. We have started our initial descent and will be landing soon. Thanks for flying with us, and we hope to see you again soon. Flight attendants, please prepare the cabin for arrival.
I will. Right, now we're gonna do this one. And we're gonna land. Oh, they're missing. Oh, it's dark. Right, we are here. Gotta get me hotel. Skip. Okay. I skipped because I couldn't be bothered today. I don't know why I'm doing this on this pod. Now you guys can leave. I have to do the overhead piece. And then I get to enjoy Seattle. Okay, we got enough now. Let's let's go to the hotel. Let's go to the hotel, guys. This is Seattle. This is the arrival bit like my hotel room. On the second floor. This is my room. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe, and see you guys next time.